Hey guys, it's Danny. So, have you ever had shrimps just chilling in your aquarium surface skimmer? Or maybe you have a skimmer attached to the inlet of your external filter. Have you ever found shrimps inside your filter even though you're using a filter guard? Or the intake is very narrow for the shrimps to pass and yet you still find the shrimps in the filter? Yeah, they're going in through the skimmer part. So today I'm going to show you my version of how I like to prevent that from happening. Before I show you though, I will address that there is already a method out there. Some people like to put aquarium skimmers on a timer so that theoretically leaves time for the shrimps to escape without having that flow to keep them trapped there. Well, here's the flaw with that. The shrimps don't want to get out. They actually like it there. They're not stupid. You have a lot of organic debris collecting in the skimmers. Even if the skimmer is off, they're still gonna be there. Tested, guaranteed, 100%. So even if you put the skimmer on a timer and you work it from time to time, you're still gonna have shrimps there. And also, I don't know about you, but I have so many timers in this grow space, I don't need 5 more for my skimmers. Now here's the thing, shrimps are okay. They actually like to be there. They don't necessarily need the light. They have a lot of food, so it's really not all that dangerous for the shrimps, particularly if you have a little sponge in your skimmer. But I want my shrimps to work on the algae inside my aquarium, or I just want to see them. So I came up with a little bit of a solution, and I have some equipment here. I have a piece of mosquito net. I think we all can see where this is going. Some super glue, and a pair of gloves. We're gonna need gloves because we're gonna glue things. And yes, as you might have guessed, what I do is put mosquito net around the grills, let's say, of the skimmer. And it works 100%. I already did one. I'm showing you how to do this one. So, we also need scissors. I am unprepared. So what I like to do is take a little measurement. I don't use measuring tapes. Too early. I need more coffee, not measuring tapes. There we go. So I take a little measurement and I try to make this as thick as these grills. This will work on the inlet skimmers as well. You know, the ones on the lily pipes, but also on this type of a skimmer. This is a blouse skimmer. There is another one, Eheim, out there, which is very popular, and probably others, which have very, very tiny grills. With those, it's a little bit more complicated, but you can be creative. Everything that has this type of a grill, this will work. So I'm gonna take a little bit of a measurement here. It's a good thing that mosquito nets actually have lines, so I can cut straight without having to mark it. Then I'm gonna continue cutting on this line. Gonna tidy up the up part as well. Again, I'm gonna measure how long I need this, and what I need is for this net to overlap just a little bit. Like so. I don't need it to overlap a lot, because if you put it in 2 folds, you're gonna have some issues with the flow. Things will deposit here, leaves and all sorts of things that will block the flow. So I want it overlapped just a little bit. So again, I'm gonna measure using my eyeballs and cut my piece here. Tidy it up just a little more to be straight and fashionable. Make a test run. It's pretty perfect. Time to put on the gloves. And I like to use gel super glue because it's not running all over the place. And I'm gonna try to make this fold overlap on one of the solid ridges. So not on a, let's say, hollow bit of the skimmer, but more on the plasticky side. My English this morning needs more coffee. Gonna put a little bit of super glue on the overlap. Yes, it's gonna glue to the skimmer as well, but it's okay. We can scrape it off if at some point we decide this is not working out, but it is working. So I'm gonna press it in with my fingers. It would be a good idea to close the super glue, if I'm honest. And hold it here a little bit. Don't hold your fingers like this the whole time because you're gonna glue your fingers. Just lift them. All you want is for the net to glue to itself, to this fold, and to the skimmer. If it doesn't work out the first go, you can put more super glue, but at some point it will stick, it will hold. All right, so it's kind of holding right now. I'm just gonna let it be for a few more minutes for the glue to harden, and then I'm gonna use my Marks & Spencer voucher to clean off the super glue tube. I think it's expired and it's hanging around here. I don't know why, so I'm gonna use it for something. Right, in the meantime, let's try to get these guys out. I told you they don't wanna come out because there's a lot of food here. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, don't come in. Don't come in. Oh no, look. I told you they like it here. No, don't come in. Come on, come on. Go out, go out. Oh, I have to remove the entire skimmer. Oh, come on. There you go. All right, time to put the top back on. There we have it. And now, I assure you 100% no shrimp or snail for that matter will get in here. Trust me. I know because as I was saying, I already did this. The only thing you need to do from time to time is make sure you remove all of these leaves because they can actually clog it and affect the flow. So what I do is get a pair of tweezers and do this when I don't really want to rinse it. But the best thing to do is to switch off the skimmer and go to the sink and rinse this grill really, really fast. I'm just a little bit lazy to do that. But anyway, you get the picture. Alrighty, so this is how I like to protect shrimps from getting into the skimmer. A little side note here, there is a skimmer on the market, I think from Aquario, which is mounted on the outlet. There is absolutely no need to do this on that skimmer because shrimps will not get trapped anywhere, they will just be ejected by the flow. But everything that is mounted on the inlet or a separate skimmer like this, yeah, I think you will benefit. And in my opinion, this is the best option. I like to run my skimmers 24/7, otherwise I do get quite a lot of biofilm. I use a lot of fertilizer, I have fertilized soil, and things are getting out of hands with the timers. I don't want more timers. And yeah, let me know if you have other ideas that work out for you. Put them in the comments below, but I really hope this will help you out. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day and a great time with your aquariums. Subscribe to my channel for more aquarium content. And with that said, I'll see you next time. Bye!